Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. The latest tweet has viewers questioning whether Musa honored his commitment to abstain from sexual activity with his wives to support his third wife, Thobile Makhumalo Mseleku, in her journey towards IVF. This agreement, made between Musa and Thobile, has been overshadowed by the revelation that his newest wife, Samke, is pregnant. Makhumalo's longing to have a child has been a poignant thread throughout the series. As the only wife without biological children, her emotional investment in IVF is profound, representing not just a medical procedure, but a chance to fulfill the deeply personal aspiration. The couple's decision for Musa to abstain was intended to optimize conditions for the treatment, a common recommendation to enhance sperm quality ahead of such interventions. Makhwela's pregnancy suggests that Musa may have engaged in intimacy elsewhere, raising questions about the dedication to Makhumalo's dream. The timing of Makhwela's pregnancy is critical here. If it occurs after Musa and Thobile's agreement, it strongly implies that he did not honor the request. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.